Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best TIG water cooler is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any serious welder, ensuring consistent temperature and preventing overheating during demanding tasks, which can significantly impact the quality and longevity of your welds and your equipment. Whether you're a hobbyist working on intricate projects or a professional tackling heavy-duty applications, having a reliable water cooler is paramount to maintaining optimal performance and achieving flawless results every single time, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about their craft. Number 5. SONNLER TIG Tungsten Electrode Sharpener Grinder. Tired of bulky grinding machines? This handheld tool offers a portable and powerful solution for sharpening your TIG welding tungsten electrodes. It's designed for convenience and speed, helping you achieve perfect angles faster and improve your welding efficiency. Achieve precise angles with ease. It supports multiple tungsten electrode sizes and offers a wide range of preset angles, ensuring accuracy for every weld. Each angle is meticulously checked for perfect results. No complex adjustments needed. Simply insert the tungsten electrode into the designated hole for your desired angle. Even beginners can effortlessly grind the perfect tip, thanks to its user-friendly design and offset compensation. This comprehensive set includes everything you need: multiple grinding wheels, mandrels, the electric grinder, a dedicated grinding head, and essential accessories. It all comes neatly organized in a storage box for easy portability. Designed to boost your welding efficiency, this tool ensures you spend less time preparing and more time welding. Experience higher performance and better results with this essential addition to your TIG welding toolkit. We recommend using protective gear when operating. Should you have any questions, our team is ready to provide professional assistance to ensure you get the most out of your sharpening experience. What we like. This tungsten sharpener is incredibly portable and easy to use. It offers a wide range of sizes and angles for precise grinding. If you're a welder who values efficiency and needs to maintain perfect tungsten tips on the go, this is the tool for you. What people say. The water cooler is very easy to set up and use. It dispenses hot and cold water quickly and efficiently. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my kitchen decor. Number 4. Tig Cooler WRC-300A 110V. Introducing the Tig Cooler WRC-300A, a powerful 110V water cooler designed to maximize the cooling capacity for your TIG welder. Keep your equipment running optimally. This unit features color-coded quick connectors, allowing for rapid and correct connection to your torch lines. It's designed for versatility with various welder brands. Experience maximum cooling capability with its copper radiator. The stainless steel pump, featuring a bronze impeller, ensures maximum wearability and performance. Its industrial motor is sealed to provide the best protection from the elements. This ensures longevity and reliable operation in demanding environments. With a generous 10L reservoir, it holds ample coolant for maximum circulation capacity. This means extended operation without frequent refills. For optimal performance and to protect your investment, always use distilled water or antifreeze specifically designed for TIG-made torch coolers. Avoid automotive antifreeze fluids. What we like. This water cooler provides robust cooling with a 10-liter capacity and a flow alarm for safety. Its copper radiator ensures maximum heat dissipation. If you're running a TIG welder for extended periods and need reliable, consistent cooling to prevent overheating, this unit is a solid choice. What people say. The water cooler has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any space. It offers multiple temperature settings, allowing you to customize the water temperature to your preference. The cooler is very quiet during operation, ensuring it won't be a distraction. Number 3. CK Worldwide CK20-12SF TIG Welding Torch. Meet the CK Worldwide CK20-12SF, a 250A, 12.5-foot, 3-piece red metal TIG welding torch. It's designed for professional use, offering durability and precision. This handheld torch features a water-cooled design for enhanced performance during extended welding sessions. Its ergonomic build ensures comfortable operation. Weighing just 3 ounces and measuring 7 to 12 inches, it offers exceptional maneuverability. Its compact size makes it easy to handle in various welding positions. Equipped with 2 series head accessories, this torch is versatile and adaptable to different welding needs. It's built to handle demanding applications with ease. Experience reliable and consistent performance with this high-quality TIG welding torch. It's the perfect tool for achieving precise and clean welds every time. What we like. This is a handheld, water-cooled TIG welding torch designed for high performance. It offers a 250A capacity and a convenient 12.5-foot length. If you're looking for a durable and comfortable torch for detailed TIG welding applications, this torch will provide excellent control and cooling. What people say. The water cooler is very easy to set up and use. It has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any kitchen. The cooling function works quickly and efficiently, providing cold water in just a few minutes. Number 2. US Solid 25L Water Cooler. Introducing the US Solid 25L Water Cooler, designed to keep your welding equipment running optimally. It's built for versatility, handling various welding and cutting machines with ease. Crafted with premium, eco-friendly materials like lead-free RS-59 copper, this cooler ensures durability. Its gravity precision casting and vortex water pump provide reliable, long-lasting performance. Experience superior cooling thanks to its innovative wind tunnel dissipation system. The optimal copper thickness in the tubes guarantees an improved cooling effect over standard models. Forget about leaks with its integrated, high-temperature resistant design. The 25-liter tank is built to prevent any water loss, saving you time and resources. This cooler is not only powerful but also compact and lightweight for easy portability. The convenient transparent window allows for quick and simple water level checks. What we like. This water cooler boasts a large 25-liter tank and an advanced wind tunnel dissipation system for superior cooling. Its leak-free design ensures a clean and efficient operation. If you need a high-capacity, reliable cooling solution for demanding TIG or MIG welding jobs and want to avoid messy leaks, this is an excellent option. What people say. The water cooler has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any space. It's incredibly easy to set up and start using, even for beginners. The cooling function is very efficient, providing cold water quickly and consistently. Number 1. CK Worldwide 20 Series Superflex TIG Torch. Discover the ultimate tool for your welding needs. This torch offers unparalleled flexibility and control for precise TIG welding applications. Its innovative flex head design allows for easy maneuvering in tight spaces and complex angles. Achieve perfect welds from any position with ease. With a generous 25-foot length, you'll have the reach you need to tackle large projects without constant repositioning. Work comfortably and efficiently. Experience superior performance with its handheld, water-cooled design. This ensures consistent operation and longevity, even during demanding tasks. Weighing only 3 ounces and measuring 7 to 12 inches, it's designed for comfort during extended use. Its lightweight construction reduces fatigue, allowing for greater precision. This torch is fully compatible with the 2 series head accessories. Enhance its capabilities and customize it to your specific welding requirements. What we like. This Superflex TIG torch features a flexible head and an extended 25-foot length for maximum maneuverability. It's a water-cooled torch designed for comfort and reach. If you frequently work in tight spaces or need to maintain a consistent distance from your workpiece during long TIG welding sessions, this torch offers the flexibility and cooling you need. What people say. The water cooler has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any space. It's incredibly easy to set up and start using, even for someone not very tech-savvy. The cooling function is very efficient, providing cold water quickly and consistently. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.